Having arthritis can make us feel like we're failing at aging gracefully, but that shouldn't be. Millions of people in the United States have it, and about 4 million are under the age of 44. Arthritis can impact feet, shoulders, and even your jaw, but it's especially painful when it's in your hands. That dull, burning sensation can make simple things, like opening a jar, excruciating. Prescription drugs can ease pain, but so can massage. Massage boosts circulation, soothes muscles, and offers a more holistic approach, and you don't have to even visit a professional to get the benefits. The best hand massagers for arthritis are heated, hit acupressure points, vibrate, and feel simply luxurious. Number 1. Lifepro Legra Hand Massager. This cordless option from Lifepro is one of the best hand massagers you can get. It uses pressure, heat, and vibration, across 5 massage modes and 5 intensity levels, to relieve joint pain. Unlike traditional massage devices that use roller balls to relieve tense muscles, this uses a mix of air compression and vibration for an intense massage that won't aggravate bones and joints. It comes with a lifetime warranty, a charger, a carrying bag, and a manual. It also features a soft interior cushion and LED control panel. Reviewers generally find it great for treating arthritis, chronic pain, or poor circulation, though higher intensity settings may be too much for some. This handy device is a perfect gift for anyone who wants to feel the soothing effects of massage without having to go to a spa. Plus, it comes with a bonus carry bag and is packaged in a beautiful gift box, making it a great option for gifts for mom, wife, and birthday occasions. Number 2. Cincom Rechargeable Hand Massager with Heat. Cincom's heated hand massager uses 4 kneading heads to target specific acupuncture points for a thorough, satisfying massage. It features 3 compression modes and 3 intensity settings for a fairly customizable experience. You charge the battery by plugging it into a laptop, phone charger, or power bank, and the battery should last at least 4 hours on a full charge. Some reviewers found it painful on higher settings and said it isn't ideal for folks with larger hands, but most users found it worked well and helped alleviate pain. 3 selectable massage modes and 3 strengths to meet your comfort level. 2 heat settings to choose from according to individual needs and preferences, provides the hand with soothing heat in the deep infrared at 95 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, to improve blood circulation, reduce fatigue of fingers and palms, pain, and warming of your cold hands. Number 3. Comfier Wireless Hand Massager with Heat. The Comfier Wireless Hand Massager offers 3 pressure modes and 3 intensity levels, along with a 30-second timer. It uses compression and heat technology to squeeze and warm the hands from wrist to fingertip to relieve aches and pains. It's lightweight, portable, and comes with a built-in rechargeable battery. You should get about 80 minutes of use out of it on a full charge. Reviewers have pointed out that it's great for long fingers, since it opens on both sides, but it's not ideal for smaller hands. Most users say it exceeded their expectations. The massager design modes help to rhythmically pressurize the whole hand starting from the wrist to the palms and fingers. Soothing heat. The Comfier hand warmer massager features heat compression technology designed to target the palm area, providing soothing warmth and preventing dryness. This gentle heat promotes blood circulation and alleviates sore muscles, numbness, and coldness in the hands and palms. Customize your massage experience with 3 pressure programs and 3 heat levels for optimal comfort and relaxation. Number 4. Wutsar Hand Massager. The Wutsar hand massager uses compression technology to target pressure points in the hand and wrist. It has 3 massage modes and an optional heat setting for the utmost relaxation. It lasts 60 to 90 minutes on one charge, depending on the settings you select. Reviewers say it's a dream for sore hands and isn't too heavy, despite its bulkier appearance. Wutsar hand massager tool is built-in 2200 mAh rechargeable battery which can be charged by a provided USB cord, can last 60 to 90 minutes after a full charge, which allows to make a hand massage trip anytime and anywhere. Cordless massager soothes the hands and fingers from the top to the bottom for that relaxing feeling. This hand massager machine is lightweight and portable. If you're looking for a great gift that has an innovative, life-enhancing factor, then you'll love our hand massager. And the tingling sensation is normal during any kind of massage. Charge it once and you can use it for hours without worrying about cords or plugs. Number 5. Xllent Hand Massager. The Xllent hand massager uses 4 separate airbags to target acupressure points from your wrists to your fingertips. It has 5 intensity levels and 5 heat settings, making it one of the most versatile massagers we've seen to date. Its battery lasts 60 to 90 minutes before needing a recharge. Reviewers say they love being able to choose from such a wide range of intensities, and that the massager is intuitive to use. Xllent hand massage is built-in 2200 mAh rechargeable battery which can be charged by a provided USB cord, can last 60 to 90 minutes after a full charge, which allows to make a hand massage trip anytime and anywhere. Xllent hand massage soothes the hands and fingers from the top to the bottom for that relaxing feeling. This hand massage machine is lightweight and portable. If you're looking for a great gift that has an innovative, life-enhancing factor, then you'll love our hand massage. The soft inner cushion ensures 100% comfort, and the tingling sensation is normal during any kind of massage. Charge it once and you can use it for hours without worrying about cords or plugs. Number 6. Lunix LX3 Cordless Electric Hand Massager. The Lunix LX3 is frequently listed as one of the best hand massagers for arthritis, and here's why: it's customizable, offers heat, and feels really good. The device uses air compression to simulate an acupuncture-like response in the hand, boosting circulation. There are 6 massage types with varying levels of intensity to choose from, and its heat goes to 104 degrees. The massager also vibrates, deepening relaxation. The perfect gift for a loved one. If you're looking for a great gift that has an innovative, life-enhancing factor, then you'll love our cordless heat massager. The unique and sleek design with shiatsu technology can fit into vibrant home decor or professional office desks. The soft inner cushion ensures 100% comfort, and the tingling sensation is normal during any kind of massage. Charge it once and you can use it for hours without worrying about cords or plugs. Over 300 hand physical therapy patients have successfully tried the massage tool and experienced decreased arthritis pain and faster recovery after carpal tunnel surgery. Number 7. Lunix LX7 Touchscreen Electric Hand Massager. When your hands begin to feel like talons because of arthritis, place them inside the Lunix LX7. The padded interior will immediately put you at ease. The device mixes compression, heat therapy, and vibration for an authentic massage experience. Designed to mimic shiatsu bodywork, the LX7 hits acupressure points, promoting pain relief. Select between 4 levels of heat, pressure, and intensity. It also massages the wrist. It features a customizable heat setting that gradually increases to a soothing 107 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for sensitive hands. Adjust the massage intensity from 1 to 6 to suit your comfort preferences. For a more pronounced heat sensation, consider wearing thin gloves. The LX7 provides a gentle yet effective therapeutic experience, ideal for daily relaxation and recovery. The device is easy to operate. Charge the product before first use, press the power button to start, select a program, adjust the intensity, add heat or vibration, and set a timer, 15/20/30 minutes. It is adjustable to your needs, ensuring a relaxing massage experience. Number 8. Cincom Rechargeable Hand Massager with Heat. Whether it's arthritis or just hours at the computer creating hand hurt, the Cincom Rechargeable Hand Massager will be a comfort. Place your hand inside, and allow a combo of heat and compression to remove tension from your palm, finger joints, and wrist. It has 4 different massage heads to switch between, and a long-lasting battery. Power it up, and then place alongside you while watch TV. Like a personal and on-call hand massage therapist, 3 selectable massage modes and 3 strengths to meet your comfort level. 2 heat settings to choose from according to individual needs and preferences. Provides the hand with soothing heat in the deep infrared at 95 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, to improve blood circulation, reduce fatigue of fingers and palms, pain, and warming of your cold hands.